It's Reema and Mosleh actually now. It's actually Reema and Mosleh in the video. And
No, it's Fadia.
yeah, Fadia and Reema. So anyways.
Stop.
Anyways. He's in the video too, so do you wanna okay, so let's see if
Stop here. Right now, two YouTubers combined together.
yeah, two YouTubers combined together actually, guys. So this is Susu. And yeah, I can't really show you me because nobody else can really hold it. Me behind me, I'm just gonna do it right now. And anyway. So Louie is in the very third.
Yeah.
And she's got 20 bites.
I know.
And I'm gonna put this on my finger right now. So let's can you please do the video? Let's please do the video now. Let's see if we hold it.
Okay.
Show me. Show them me.
Louie,
Show them me. Show them me.